Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Winston and in today's video we're going to talk about the KTM 490 which is yet to be launched. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to keep yourself updated on my upcoming videos. The Austrian maker KTM is developing a 500cc motorcycle to keep up with the emerging demand of adventure motorcycles in India and for the KTM fanboys who've been waiting for something bigger and special than the 390 variants that we currently have in India. KTM has confirmed it will use a parallel twin-cylinder engine which is the same on the 790 and the 890 Dukes, and these motorcycles might be manufactured in India with its partner Bajaj at its Pune facility. In a latest video update, the CEO of KTM has revealed that apart from the 490 Adventure, this 500cc platform will also have the Street Fighter Duke. These new bikes may come out with newer and better colors, better graphics, and a completely new look. These models are scheduled to be launched in India in the year 2022. So if you're one of those guys who are planning on buying the Adventure 390, then it's definitely worth a wait to check out these new bikes which are more powerful and may come up with a whole new style and better features. If we talk about the engine in detail, KTM may provide a twin-cylinder engine with BS6 emission norms and a 6-speed gearbox. The power is expected to be around 60 bhp and 45 Newton meters. The bike may be offered with dual disc in the front with ABS. Suspension will be the usual WP upside down and the WP monoshock in the rear. It will be an all-LED bike. The instrument cluster might be a whole new designed TFT display with additional features. A look at the presentation document reveals that KTM will not replace the existing platform with the 490 but will coexist with each other. The 490 models shown on my screen have been blurred out to show any design details, but it looks like the bike will have spoked wheels, or it might come out with alloy wheels as usual, a bigger and adjustable windscreen, which is definitely a must for off-road motorcycles in India. Instead of going for the heavyweights, the 890 and the 790, it makes more sense for KTM to launch the 490 in India to occupy the emerging demand for adventure motorcycles in the Indian market. The 490 might be a little lighter compared to the adventure motorcycles in its segment and can be used for touring as well as off-roading. As of now, no other details have been released, so we will need to wait and see. What else do you think needs to be added to these new motorcycles which are being developed, and would you wait to buy the 490 series or would you rather go for the existing 390 series? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out my other videos on the KTM Duke 200 and the Himalayan.